All right, next is going to be a rock garden. This one was kind of fun. You're going to get yourself one of these plastic little planter tray dishes. They're in the garden section. I believe they come two to a pack for $1.25, so that's actually a really good deal. I'm spray painting mine a gold color, but you can do whatever color you want. Then you're going to get one of your flower styrofoam blocks. Oh, and then you're going to pet the dog as he comes in to bug you. And then I just got a little Sharpie marker and I just kind of measured out how deep I needed the styrofoam. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this so that it fits inside of my little dish. It was about a third of it that I needed, and I'm going to fit it right inside. And then I got these kind of stone looking pebbles that I'm going to go ahead and dump right over the top and just kind of lay them around. I got 2 packages and that seemed to be plenty. I probably could have fit a third in there. I actually got this idea from Bargain Bethany, so shout out to her. Then you're gonna take, oh god, these frickin' stickers. Why do they make these stickers so hard to get off? Anyway, once you get the stickers off, you're gonna need to measure how far you want your little firework poles to stick out. So I got my little Sharpie marker again and I just set it against my little table, against my pot, and I just put a little mark on the metal of where I wanted to cut it so that I knew how far they were going to stick out. And I did mine 2 different lengths, but you can do them however you want to do them. And then these are just going to poke and stick right inside your flower styrofoam. So they kind of look like fireworks going off. Then you're going to get these little solar lights, are also from Dollar Tree. And you're just going to, I have 3 of them. You can do 1 or 2 or however many you want. Make sure that they work. Sometimes at Dollar Tree you can get duds, and so make sure that they work. And then you're just kind of going to arrange them around kind of how you want them, and just kind of make sure that your rocks, you know, kind of arrange them around so that they look nice. And you know, I kind of wanted to make sure that the styrofoam wasn't, you know, didn't have any gaps in there so that the styrofoam was poking out. And I kind of flitzed around with it a little bit, and I moved him a little bit here and there until I was happy with it. And just however you want to do it, this is your little project and you can make it however you want until it looks good to you. If you wanted to, you could totally use glue, hot glue, or a little bit of something to glue it into the styrofoam, be a little bit more solid. And then this is how it turned out. Oh, doesn't it look so fun in the dark with the lights on? Oh, I love it. Let me know what you think.